Hi dear students, today we are studying about testing of hypothesis. Okay, now what is testing of hypothesis? This hypothesis testing is a statistical method which is used to make inference and draw conclusion about a population based on sample data. Okay, now what do you mean by population? Population means a group of individuals or materials under study is called population. Okay, now here what is sample? Sample is a finite subset of population which is called a sample. For example, suppose a new weight loss pill claims to help people lose an average of 10 pounds in 1 month. Okay, suppose there is a weight loss pill manufacturing company which claims that it helps the pupils to lose an average of 10 pounds in 1 month. Okay, as a researcher you want to investigate whether the pill actually works as claimed. Here what is population? The population in this case is all the individuals who are interested in losing weight and might potentially use the weight loss pill. That is population. Here the sample is to conduct your study, you randomly select a sample of 100 or 200 or 200, 250 individuals from the population. That is what we called a sample. Okay. Now, what do you mean by hypothesis? Okay. Now, hypothesis is a tentative statement or proposition that is proposed as an explanation for a specific phenomenon. Okay. So, here the definition of hypothesis is when we attempt to make decision about the population on the basis of sample information, we have to make assumption about the nature of population. Such assumptions which may or may not true is called a statistical hypothesis. Okay, here in this topic we are studying about testing of hypothesis. Okay, so there is a statement or there is a hypothesis, we have to test whether that hypothesis is true or not. Okay, now here I told you about the sample. Here we have two types of sample. One is small sample, another one is large sample. Small sample is nothing but if the sample size is less than 30. Sample size means the number of elements in the sample. That is all. Well, that is what we call the sample size. Okay, population size means number of elements in the population. Here the large sample size is greater than 30. Okay, now I am giving you the topic testing of hypothesis of small samples. Okay, now testing of hypothesis of small sample, we can test this hypothesis using Student's t distribution. Okay, now here the formula is x bar minus mu the whole divided by s by root of n minus 1. Here mu means population mean, x bar means